What?
The Wolf King, now do you believe me?
好吧。
I do. Hide. Will it be any good? The oil you made?
Not unless we want to anger it.
狼王 ，Hello， 圣职者野兽，你好。哎，不能锁定哦，为什么不能锁定？不能锁定哎！等一下，狼王也太烂了吧！狼王的三围也太低了吧！我就硬砍了啊！我没有必要。天哪，这什么狼王啊？就是一只小月月而已啊！天哪，这什么狼王啊
Boy, you really give him a drubbing. Never seen anything like it.
Girl, you can come out now. Come on.
Well, well, well， 没想到你打赢狼王了。哎，他没有这样讲哦。我们在树林中发现尸体。
Found someone far less fortunate in the forest.
一定是亚伦。
We was returning from Midcops when the brute attacked. I managed to flee, but Yaren,
The little one. No details.
真的超弱的啊！
You have bandages at home? Some spirit?
一两道伤口，好像有。真的超嫩的。
But my lord, he's a powerful man. He's sure to help you. Might even reward you for cutting the werewolf down.
Very well. Lead us to your lord.
啊，是哦。所以这个小女孩其实就是一个普通的小女孩而已哦。我一直在期待说她是最后面的什么恶魔之类的。好吧，我错怪她了。我的杰洛特也要跟西里一样这么的